In the heart of Nebraska, there's a young man named Ben. Ben is 15, and like most teenagers, he's navigating the challenging path to adulthood. But there's one significant hurdle in his journey: an unrelenting addiction to the internet. From the moment he wakes to the time he finally succumbs to sleep, Ben is plugged in. His world, once filled with sports, friends, and family, has been replaced by a virtual reality. His grades have plummeted, his health has deteriorated, and his relationships are strained. Ben's story isn't unique. It's a growing issue affecting countless adolescents worldwide. But how did this happen? How did the internet, a tool designed to connect us, become a catalyst for disconnection? The answer lies in the very nature of the internet itself. It's a world without boundaries, where instant gratification is just a click away. For young, impressionable minds, this can create a sense of dependency. In Ben's case, his internet addiction began subtly. A game here, a video there. Then slowly the real world started to fade into the background. The effects were gradual but devastating. His school performance suffered, his physical health declined, and his social skills began to wither. But it's not all doom and gloom. Understanding the problem is the first step towards a solution. Internet addiction is a real issue, but it's not insurmountable. There are strategies to combat it and resources available to help. Firstly, it's crucial to recognize the signs. Changes in behavior, declining academic performance, and withdrawal from social activities are all red flags. Secondly, it's important to establish healthy boundaries. This includes setting limits on internet usage and encouraging offline hobbies and activities. Finally, professional help may be necessary in some cases. Therapists and counselors can provide valuable guidance and support. In conclusion, the internet is a powerful tool, but like all tools, it should be used responsibly. As adults, it's our duty to guide and educate our children about the potential dangers of excessive internet usage. Remember, we're not trying to demonize the internet. On the contrary, it's about harnessing its power for good while understanding the potential for harm. It's about balance, it's about moderation, and above all, it's about ensuring the healthy development of our children. Today, we've explored the impact of internet addiction on adolescents, using the case of young Ben as an example. We've discussed the signs to look out for, the importance of setting boundaries, and the role of professional help. It's a complex issue, but with awareness and action, we can help our children navigate the digital world safely and responsibly. So the next time you see a child engrossed in their screen, take a moment to consider the impact. Are they shaping their future, or is the internet consuming it? The answer lies in the balance.